Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you like today's video, hit the like button, and if you're not already, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a video like this, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Now let's get into the video. For today's anime character makeup look, we're going to do pretty much the only villain character that I'm going to do in the series. He's from Demon Slayer. It is Muzan Kibutsuji? I think that's his name. From Demon Slayer, and I'm super excited to do this look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with the brows. I just always like to start with my brows first. I'm going to brush them up first. Oh, and by the way, I'm using the Morphe M158 brush with my LA Girl brow pomade, and I'm using the color Soft Brown. I'm just going to fill in my brows with this. Once the brows are filled in, I'm going to take the spoolie part and just kind of go through the brows again. And mainly focus it in the inner part of the brow. I'm going to go in with my primer. This is the Wet n Wild Impossible primer. So yeah, I'm just going to take it on my fingertips and then just kind of mix it between my fingertips, and just to kind of warm it up and start applying it. So I'm going to take my Burt's Bees eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to use my fingers to apply this. For eyeshadows today, we're going to use the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette from Morphe. So I'm first going to take the Creamsicle and Pucky on a e.l.f. crease brush. I'm going to mix these two together. I'm just going to put that in the crease. I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush, which is this one, and just blend the crease. Okay, now we're going to start in the outer corner. So I'm going to use the color Soda Pop, which is this purple here. I'm going to take my Shani brush number, I think this was 7 from the 32 Shani brush palette. So I'm going to take this kind of right in the outer corner and then kind of move it up into the crease a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush and just blend Soda Pop. Kind of like in the crease and kind of in the outer. Then in the inner part of the eye, I'm going to take in light, which is this one here. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman Rose Gold Lash Curler. Use the Huda Beauty Legit Lash Mascara. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Covergirl Trueblend Foundation. And this one is in the color L1. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. blurring foundation brush to apply this. Take my beauty blender and just press this into the skin. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Just conceal the under eye area, the nose, and blemishes. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush and just buff that in. I sometimes go in with my finger and blend it as well. Then I just set the concealer with my Catrice Baking and Setting Loose Powder. I use the same brush that we used to blend the concealer, and I'm just going to set it. This one is from Honest Beauty. This is the Coral Peach, and this is a cream blush, like I said. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Blush brush. I'm just going to apply this to the apple of the cheek, and then kind of lightly blend it out. And I sometimes like to go in with my finger and just set the rest of the face. So now I'm going to bronze up the face. I'm going to use my Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, and this one is in Natural. And I'm going to use my favorite brush. This is actually my first Real Techniques brush. I'm just kind of bronze up the cheeks a little bit. The Jaclyn Hill palette to highlight. I'm going to take, I'm going to try maybe Faint. I'm going to take my e.l.f. highlighting brush. I'm going to take Faint. I'm just going to apply it in the highlighting places. Apply the next layer of mascara. I'm going to first curl the lashes again. Start applying the mascara. Okay, so now it's time for the lips. First, I'm going to line my lips using the NYX Suede. My Eau Fashion lip brush and my Lorac lipstick in the color Beach Babe. Then I'm going to use my Lorac Alter Ego lipstick or lip gloss in the also in the color Beach Babe. I'm going to use the applicator that it comes with. And then the last thing, I'm going to apply or set the makeup with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!